Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the fart pose on Dress to Impress. So thankfully it's actually still here. Unfortunately though, the flamethrower is not here anymore. As you can see, I cannot press 1 anymore on my keyboard. And that is because I think they've removed it already, but they still have the fart pose. So you don't have to actually buy it. I think you do have to play it when it was April Fool's. I don't know if it's going to still be there for you if it's not there, but if you go to poses, as you can see, there is still the fart pose. Um, but that is pretty much it. You can make it into like a fit of like green smoke. As you can see, my character does that. The one that I dressed up as, Viper, can emit green smoke. But I guess you can use the fart pose to do that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.